Guan Nick here. So in this video, I want to show you a really powerful tool that you can use to find all the products that is going to launch, and you can become the JV partner or affiliate for that, so that you can actually create content to promote that in advance. So this one is jvnewswatch.com. You can go to nickcai.com/jvnewswatch to check this site. So as you can see, you can go to their JV launch announcement, right? So as you can see, they will show you all the future products, right? So you can just go and join their affiliate program or to become their JV partner to join their program, right? Then as you can see, they will show you what's the launch date and what's the niche, right? So you can create a content for that. So you can copy and paste that on Google. So as you can see, there are already lots of articles about this product like published and ranked, right? So this strategy is called launch jacking. So because those people, they know by the time the product are launched, there'll be a lot of traffic searching for the reviews of this product. So they try to rank the review articles of the product in advance. So this one is a really powerful strategy. So you can actually do the same. You can go to this website and you can search for like a future product. Then you can write a review for that. So you may wonder like, hey, but if I haven't gotten access to the product yet, how can I write a review for that? So the key is you can write a placeholder article. So the article doesn't have to be a real review. But by the time the product launched, you can actually get the product and just create a real review for that. So that's how you can get the advantage, and you can leverage the massive traffic that's coming to your site by the time the product is launched. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.